Kachawagir. I'm an ex-MGDian. I have been into the line of education since 1975. I worked in SMS school as one of the founder teachers. Then I opened my preschool in the year 1988, which I handed over to my mother. And then I got an opportunity to open a secondary school for someone. So I started the school, reached it to the secondary level, then got an opportunity to open a boarding school in Dunlod, which I did. And then in 2005, I opened this school as a preschool. My main motive of opening the school was to give the children a stress-free education. I saw the children going for tuitions, for coaching to, get admission into various schools, the sought-after schools in Jaipur. I did not want the children to go for coaching, for tuitions. I just wanted a school where we could give them everything that was required to come into a formal school. I was awarded the Woman Acharya of the Year in December 2022, and this year we won the Best Preschool in Jaipur award in Dubai in February this year, 2023. We have partnered with Eduvate this year, and I'm sure if we were lacking in something, probably Eduvate would give us that and make studies more activity-based and fun-loving it will be. That's what I hope, and we hope to have a long association with Eduvate.
Good morning, everyone. As the principal of I Excel School, I would like to take a moment to talk about the importance of academics, school and teachers before you. Our school, that is I Excel School, is committed to provide a high quality education, both which is challenging also as well as supportive also. We strive to create a safe and inclusive environment for the children here. At our school, we believe that each child is unique for us. Each child is important for us. And every child has a potential to excel. All these teachers, they are very much experienced here. They are educated also, they are experienced also. Our school, I Excel School, that is, recently has achieved an award, that is Best School of the Year in International School Awards Dubai 2023. Our pre-primary children of this school for the first time participated in Little Star Olympiad for math, English and EVS, and they all got gold medals there. Then this is not less, this is not finished. We have done more, children of our school have achieved more medals like Taekwondo at the district and state level competitions. They won they won gold, silver and bronze medals also. As when we talk about Eduvate, Eduvate is a digital platform, digital learning platform, and it is an innovative platform with which children as well as teachers also we have tied up with Eduvate, which is complete school growth partner, and it is an innovative platform which will bring a significant difference in the child's learning experience. There are a variety of interactive and age-appropriate games, videos, and many more activities. Digital learning process it is, and children will learn better with this platform, and they are going to excel with it.
Good morning, my name is Ayushi and I take social studies from class 3rd to 7th. In IXL High School, our focus is on academics as well as on extracurricular activities like taekwondo, skating, dance and music. With the day, we start with the assembly. We have this policy that we have monthly themes and we tell the students about the theme and then we ask question and answers from that. Then in the classes, we have interactive sessions. We ask question and answers to the children so that each and every child gets the equal chance to answer, so that their ability also gets increased. And we take regular tests, like after each and every chapter which we finish, we have regular test of it, so that during school premises, we make sure that children speak in English only, and we give a focus to handwriting also. We make sure that they write in cursive handwriting only. With the introduction of Eduvate in the school, the classes have become more interactive. Children get to explore the concept more effectively and efficiently. Thank you.